Hello everyone, it's Jenny from Tales for Toddlers, and today we are making our favorite chocolate chip cookies. These are yummy, crispy and loaded with melty morsels of chocolates. These cookies stay soft and crispy for days. If you guys like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe and make sure to hit the bell button to receive the notification. So let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, take 1 cup of softened unsalted butter with 1.5 cup of light brown powdered sugar. You will need 2 room temperature eggs. Add them one at a time, beating well with each addition. Cream those together on medium-high speed until smooth and scrape down the bowl as needed. In a separate small mixing bowl, take 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk them all together and add it to the creamed mixture in thirds. Adding it in thirds makes it much easier to blend. For the cookies to rise properly, make sure to measure your flour correctly by spooning it into the measuring cup and scraping off the top. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and cream those together on medium-high speed until smooth. And last but not the least, add 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips and fold those into the batter just well combined. The cookie dough is the perfect consistency. You can roll your cookie dough by hand or even use a trigger release ice cream scoop. Arrange them on a parchment-lined cookie sheets. I have also studded the tops of the cookies with a few extra chocolate chips for a prettier cookie. Make sure to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Bake in the center of the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 22 minutes or until the edges are just turning golden. So the yummy yum cookies are ready. Transfer those to a baking rack and allow it to cool down. Here we go, a big, crispy, fluffy chocolate chip cookies. They are so chocolatey. These have the perfect balance of sweetness and chocolate. My girl go wild for this. I hope this becomes your new favorite recipe. Try it and you will probably never look for another chocolate chip recipe again. See you guys soon with more exciting recipes in our next videos.